Morning, dear students. Students, let's start area related circles. Students, in previous session, I have explained to you the area of sector, segment, and area of circles. So, students, in today's session, we will discuss the questions that are divided in quadrant form, sector form, and after that, we calculate the area. So let's start with question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5-meter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Students, here we have a field ABCD, that is square field, and with the side of 15 meter, and a horse is tied to a peg B at B point with a 5-meter long rope. That means BP is the long rope, so that the horse can move only maximum at a maximum distance of 5 meter. So in this way, he horse can graze the area that he had covered with the 5-meter long rope. So we need to calculate the area of that the horse can graze. So in this way, this makes the quadrant because it makes 90-degree angle, and so this is the quadrant. And you can also say that this is a sector having degree 90-degree. So let's start. Let ABCD be a square field and length of rope is equals to 5 meter. We need to find the area of the field which horse can graze. So that is area of sector QBP. Okay, in square all the angles are 90-degree. So that angle QBP must be 90-degree. So area of sector of QBP will be theta over 360 pi r square. Okay students, in previous lectures I have explained to you how we can construct this formula. So here the formula, we apply the formula using the given values. Pi is 3.14, radius is 5 and theta is 90-degree. By calculating this, we can find the 19.625. That means area of the field which horse can graze is equals to area of sector QBP, that is 19.625 square meter. Next we have the second part of the same question. The increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Students, suppose अगर हम rope 10 meter long rope लेते हैं instead of taking 5 meter, then how much area will increase? So let's start finding the same, and by using the same formula, area grazed by horse now, area of sector HBG by taking the 10 meter long rope. So area of sector will be theta over 360 pi r squared. By putting the value of radius and theta, we get the value 78.5 square meter. And earlier we have calculated the area 19.625. So increase in grazing area will be area grazed by horse now and area grazed previously. So by subtracting this, we get 58.875 square meter. Hence, increase in grazing area will be 58.875 square meter. Next we have question of brooch. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the silver wire required. Students, in this question we have a circle made up of a silver wire and we required 5 diameters that also uses the wire to make that. Okay, in this way we need to calculate the how much silver wire is required. We use silver required to make the boundary, that is the circumference, and we use the silver wire to make the 5 diameters. So brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle. Diameter of brooch is given 35 mm, so radius must be half. So 35 over 2 mm is the radius. Since wire is used in making 5 diameters in circle, so total wire used will be length of wire in the circle and wire used in 5 diameters. That is, this is the circumference. Now students, length of wire, that is the circumference of circle, we know that the formula is 2 pi r and value of pi is 22 over 7 and radius is 35 over 2. By using the values calculating this, we get 110 mm. So silver wire used in 5 diameters is equals to 5 into diameter of circle, and we know the diameter of circle is 35. So we used silver wire in making the 5 diameters. So total length in diameters we used 175 mm. Now total wire used is equals to length of wire in circle plus wire used in 5 diameters. That is 110 plus 175 is equals to 285 mm. Next we have second part, the area of each sector of the broach. This is very simple but only required to get the angle that made by the two radius, adjacent radius. So students, first of all, area of each sector of the broach. Okay, each sector of the broach is the 1/10 area of all the sectors of the broach. Okay, so area of all sectors of the broach is area of circle, that is pi r square. Value of r is 35 over 2. By using these values, we get the 22 over 7 into 35 over 2 whole squared. So in this way, by calculating this, we get 11 into 5 into 35 over 2 is the area of all sectors of the broach. Now, area of each sector is 1 over 10 because we are calculating the area of each sector, and the broach is divided into 10 equal sectors. So, we get, on dividing by 10, 385 over 4 square mm. So in this way we get the area of each sector is 385 over 4 mm square. Now students, here I am sharing you the same question. This is the umbrella and having the 8 ribs. You have to just calculate the area of each sector. So students, this is same question, you can try yourself. Okay, area of rib is equals to area of umbrella divided by 8 because here we have the 8 ribs. So in this way we can calculate the area of umbrella by dividing 1 over 8. So this is very simple question. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.